Right, well, I'm going to behave myself because this is supposed to be a test recording. And I don't know if it's live streaming to my Facebook or my YouTube, so I better be careful. Totally unprepared for a live stream, so forgive me if it's a bit awry. Just in this StreamYard studio thing, checking it out, seeing how it's working basically. See you in 30 seconds. Right, so we're back. Excuse the logo, I've just been playing around, just typed any old thing in. Don't think this will get published anyway, but we'll have to see how it goes. Looks okay though, doesn't it? Apart from my webcam quality, which is a bit cheesy. Not sure if I can focus that anymore. I think it's just fixed focus. It's very bright as well. It's like compensating because there's not much light in the room. Probably have to fiddle with the webcam settings to lower the exposure a bit. Right, what's this screen sharing thing? So let's go and look at something without me in it. So I'm hoping you can see the screen. Stop sharing that. Interesting. And also you can apparently invite other people to join you. Right, well, there's a few things to suss out, so looking interesting though. Brand, private chat, settings, banners, comments. Right, see how that goes. Thanks for watching.